Welcome back. By 19th December, almost 50 government services will be available online. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath assured this on the 66th birth anniversary of our former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi.
The 66th birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi was celebrated on Friday in the state. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath garlanded the portrait of Rajiv Gandhi at the Secretariat complex. On this occasion, Chief Minister announced that by 19 December, almost 50 government services will be available online.
On 19 December, as a Chief Minister of this state, I should be able to make an announcement that yes, when we enter into the 50th year of Goa's liberation, 50 services in the state of Goa will be online. I request all of you to cooperate in this commitment of ours.
Kamath also administered oath of harmony to government servants.
That I will work for the emotional oneness and harmony of all the people of India, regardless of caste, religion, or language.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar.
Panchayat Democratic Forum has welcomed the amendment in Section 47 of Panchayati Raj Act passed in the monsoon session of the Assembly. Forum says this amendment will give more powers to Sarpanch and avoid confusion in the Panchayat administration. Forum has also demanded a hike in the salary of Panch members.
Panchayat Democratic Forum has expressed contempt over the amendment of Section 47 in the Panchayati Raj Act. Forum had earlier written to the Governor and the CM to reconsider the amendment of Section 47. They are happy as the bill was taken again in the Assembly and was passed in the compliance to the Forum's demand.
आम्ही सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जाऊन गव्हर्नराकडे मागले आणि गव्हर्नरान ते आमचे आयकन घेऊन ते बिल परत असेंब्लीक धाडले आणि ते असेंब्लीक धाडले नंतर आता हे फाटले असेंब्लीक हे बिल परत आमकां जाय पळय तशें आम्ही सांगलं पळय तशें आणि लोकांक पळय फायदो जाता तशें आम आदमीक फायदो जाता पळय तशें हें बिल तांच्यांनी परत असेंब्लीक घेतलें आणि तें बिल पास जाल्लें आसा आणि म्हणूनच आज आमकां सगळ्या सरपंचांक आमच्या पंचायत फर्माच्या जे कमिटी मेंबर आसात ते आमी तेंकां शबासकी दिता की त्या टायमार तेंच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी आमकां आदार दिलो.
Joseph Vaz says the earlier amendment would have created a lot of confusion.
We have taken up the matter in a proper time, in educated time before the governor. Otherwise, if that amendment would have gone that time, then today we would have faced a lot of difficulties.
Forum also demanded hike in the pay of Panch members.
And the monthly allowance which is paid to these elected representatives is very big, just 1,500 rupees. Peanuts. It's not even enough for one day for their expenditure. So I feel that the government has to take note of this and immediately increase the salary. At least per punch should get 10,000 per month.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Goa Energy Development Agency has come up with a unique idea to promote solar energy in the state. Agency wants school children to prepare devices that would run on solar power. Interested students would get cash amount of Rs 5,000 and solar cells to develop the device. Government is also planning to electrify remote hamlets in Kankon and Sattari through solar power in coming few months.
Rajiv Gandhi's birthday anniversary is also observed throughout India as Rajiv Gandhi Akshay Urja Divas. During his tenure as Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi promoted use of renewable energy. Non-renewable energy like coal, petroleum are on decline and these resources are expected to get over within a couple of centuries. Solar and wind power are expected to play a vital role in solving these energy crises of the future. Akshay Urja Divas was also observed in Goa. State-level function was held in Science Centre at Miramar. The event was attended by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastava, Member of Secretary of Goa Energy Development Agency, Michael D'Souza and others. Now government wants students to ignite their minds and develop solar power devices.
To the intervention of solar energy areas in Sattari, Kankon would be electrified. So we are going to launch this program, and on this occasion we have a month-long activity culminating on 2nd October. We are going to have a unique program this year, entirely going to be the children as a target, where we are going to give a solar panel, amount of rupees 5,000, where you all are going to create some device of how to use solar energy. Of course, this will be program will be out shortly. Innovation, think hard. Okay, just that idea, sparkle up the solar energy concept in you.
Later, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath also flagged off a students' rally to mark the Akshay Divas in Goa. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
There was a huge chaos outside Government Polytechnic College in Panji as their GS elections were postponed by a week. General Secretary elections were supposed to be held on Friday. Elections were postponed due to some objections on the election process. But some students were not happy and they came out of the college and demanded immediate elections.
This was the scene outside Government Polytechnic College at Altino in Panji. Students were running all around as soon as prudent media team reached at the site. Many students were not ready to face the camera and they zoomed out of the college campus. Few minutes before our arrival, same students were demanding immediate election of General Secretary and Cultural Secretary of the college. Principal of Government Polytechnic College, Professor Luis Fernandez told us the reasons behind postponement of elections.
आमचे सिआराचे इलेक्शन जाल्ले आनी आज आमचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी कल्चरल सेक्रेटरीचे इलेक्शन आशिल्लें पूण ते इलेक्शन करचे पयलीं आमचे कमिटीन जेन्ना तेंची सिआरांची फॉर्मां पयलीं तेन्ना दिसलें की थोड्यांचे सिआरांचे इलेक्शन सारकें जावना तेंची एलिजिबिलिटी फॉलो करूं ना सो जेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें तेन्ना आमची कमिटी सांगलें की परत तूं रिव्यू कर आनी इलेक्शन एक विकान पोस्टपोन कर आनी आमचे चेंबरा आमी तांकां सांगलें आनी ते एग्री जाले आमी भायर सरले भायर सरून मागीर ते दुसरे ते बाउन्सर आनी भायले भुरगे हाडटा आनी ते म्हणटा आमी पयशे मोडल्या म्हणपा इलेक्शना आतांच करपाक जाय अशें म्हणपा लागले आमी म्हणलें पयशे करपा पयशे मोडपा हें जें पॉलिटिकल इलेक्शन न्ही दीस इज अ एकेडमीक स्कूल इन्स्टिट्यूशन हाव यू कॅन स्पेंड मनी आनी आफ्टर गेटींग इलेक्टेड तुमकां पयशे कशे मेळटले ते मोडल्या ते तांकां जबाब नाशिल्ले तेंकडे
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.